Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to create weekly timesheet in Excel. So on the left side, we have the employee details. On the right side, we have the details of date, week number, working hours and rates. So here we have the date, days, and then we have the shift start time, end time, in between the break time and absent hours. Here we calculate the total hours for each day and then the sum of total working hours in a week, and then we will calculate the overtime and then the total payment. So I will remove all the formulas and reapply the formulas to explain this template. Let me remove the formula. Now that we removed all the formulas, first let's calculate the week number. For this, I use function called week number, and let me select the date, close parenthesis, press enter, I get the week number. Then here I give the start date of the week is equal to, so we have the date here, let's select this, press enter, and then I select the first date, plus 1, press enter, you get the next day. Let me extend this formula. Now to identify the day, I use a text function. The value will be the date, comma, and the format text will be DDDD, close parenthesis, press enter, you get the day. Let me extend this formula. Now here to calculate the total hour is equal to open parenthesis. First, let's take the end time minus start time, close parenthesis, multiplied by 24 because 24 hours in a day, minus again uh, break end time minus break start time, close parenthesis, multiplied by 24, minus again the open parenthesis, you take the absent hours multiplied by 24, press enter, you get the total hours in a day. So let me extend this formula, so you get the total hours in a week. So to calculate the total working hours, I use the sum function, and let me select all the 5 days total hours, close parenthesis, press enter, you get the total working hours. Now standard working hours is equal to, it is the 5 day, 5 multiplied by the working hours is 8, close parenthesis, press enter, you get the standard working hours. The overtime calculation is equal to the total working hours minus the standard working hours, press enter, you get the overtime. To get the total pay, open parenthesis, so we have the standard working hours multiplied by hourly rate will be 20, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis, and then we have the overtime working hour here multiplied by overtime rate is 30, close parenthesis, press enter. Here you go. Thank you.